Okay, so these are the finished product from the video. This one is 2 centimeters, 2.5, something like that. It was just, ooh, yeah, that broke, damn it, earlier on anyways, and I just fixed it back on with a hot air gun. It was, yeah, too thin to be any good, but that's probably a better way for that one to be. But yeah, it had already broken on the opposite side, and I just sort of gently fixed it back on. But yeah, that's cool that that's gone. This one came out really well. I had the supports all the way, as you could see in the previous videos. Yeah, cleaned up well. I had a bit of an issue with how my design treats where the back of this loop goes into the Gulf of Carpentaria especially, but also on this side over in Western Australia. I guess that would almost be around Perth or something, but anyway, so that's 2.5, that's 5, and then I did a test run where I scaled it up to 7.5 centimeters and dropped down the height on it, scaled down that individually, and I ran this without a raft, so I got a really nice back on it. And yeah, with the supports only where it's touching the build plate or whatever, not everywhere, and so there's a bit of drooping on the loop here. And so this is, I wasn't sure if it was, but this has got the same issue of the angle at which it cuts into the sides and through the Gulf of Carpentaria. So I ran it again, and this is just by itself back down at 5 centimeters. Should be the exact same scale as this one here. Slightly less quality infill than this one to test out, you know, how it goes. And I've left the support so you can actually see me cut this off. Hopefully I don't take a finger, but we'll see how we go just snapping it off. No. And then I'm going to put those. There we go. So yeah, just thought I was going to lose a finger then, didn't you? It's kind of hard with the tripod between my legs, but much easier to remove than the first time. So I modified my original design, which is, as I said, this is like a tribute to the Overclockers Australia logo. Yeah, so I just taken the OCAU, put it into the center of an Australia, which I redrew, traced around a big map. The I use Google SketchUp to do my 3D modeling. I've been using it for years, and when I needed to export, which I never have really before, but I just use the free period on a license to be able to export a design or two. So yeah, the new 2016 Google SketchUp um, free 1 month is how I designed this. Yeah, simply just traced around in Australia, pulled it up to make it, you know, a solid block. Used 3D text in simple font to get the lettering, and then I made a circle, shrunk down the Z on it to make it into an oval, pulled it out to make it into a band, tilted it again, and then I had a line going across that joined up with the center of the back of Australia, which I lined up my tilted circle with the center dot of my Australia, tilted it on already to the axis of that I'd worked out going against here. So as you can see, I try and hit the same sort of spots, try and get the same sort of orbiting of the I don't know, Saturn ring around Australia, I guess. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but yeah, I think it's a pretty good representation of the logo. Anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this.